Hi guys, today we're starting topic 3, geometry for HIAI maths. So to sum it up, this topic focuses on understanding spaces, shapes, and how we describe and work with them mathematically, especially in this video in the 3D dimensions. So for this lesson on 3D geometry, I'm mainly going to be looking on lines and planes and spaces, and I'm going to be going through 2 exam questions with you as well to help you. So let's start. So here I've listed out basically directly from the IB formula booklet as to the formulas that you're provided, and everything here that is provided in these tables is all given in your exam. So not a single one of these formulas you're going to have to remember or know off by heart. But one of the confusions that could arise with these formulas is between this one, and you may be confused as to what z means. So in this context, this formula is for 3D shapes. So the z would be representing your third coordinate, as it's a 3D shape and it'll have 3 coordinates. So even if you may still have some confusion, I'll go through the basic one on the circle. So say you want to find the area of circle. Once again, the formula is provided as a is equal to pi r squared. So if r is equal to 3, you can say a is equal to pi into 3 squared, which is 9 pi. And similarly for here, this is a sphere, and say if you wanted to find the surface area of the sphere, the formula is once again here provided, where it's equal to 4 pi r squared. And so as you know, r is 10, it will simply be 4 into pi into 10 squared, which is 400 pi. So I hope this is clear, and this is really part of your prior learning, so you should have known this. But even if you don't worry about it, you can go through these anytime you need to. So now I'm moving to a practice question. If you want, you can pause the video here and do it yourself and come back. So it says for A to write down the radius at the base of the tank. So as you know, r is equal to diameter over 2, and in this case diameter is 0.568. You can find the radius as simply doing 0.568 2, which is 0.284 meters. And so for B, it states calculate the area of the base of the tank. As we already calculated, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So simply for this, what you'd be doing is pi into 0.284 squared, which is roughly 0.253 meters squared. So this is clear so far. And for C, it states George is going to paint the curved surface area and the base of the water storage tank and calculate the total area needed to be painted. So you know the curved area, as provided in the formula booklet, is equal to 2 pi r h. So in this case it would be 2 into pi into r, which is 0.284, and your height, which is 0.855, which would give you approximately 1.53 meters squared. Sorry, no, 1.526 meters squared. And so the total area will be the area of base plus area of curved, which is 0.253 plus 1.526, which is equal to 1.78 meters squared. That's the work solution for this question right here, and yeah, I hope it's clear. So moving on to the second practice question. They say the right cylinder has height h millimeters and diameter of x millimeters. The volume of the cylinder is equal to 45, so the volume is provided. The total surface area can be represented as A is equal to pi over 2x squared plus k over x. So the first part states A, find the value of k. So again, in the formula booklet, it provides you here V is equal to pi into r squared h. So you can say 45 is equal to pi into x over 2 squared h. So this will give you 45 equals to pi over 4, which would then give you 180 over pi x squared. And so you know that you can say it as a function almost. You could call this a of x will be equal to the area of top and bottom plus the curved surface area. So in this case it will be 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So again here 2 pi x over 2 the whole square plus 2 pi into x over 2 into 180 over pi x squared. As this, as we found out here, is your height. So after putting all this together, you'd simply get pi over 2x squared plus 180 over x. So the question states find the value of k. So in this case 180 will be the value of k. So looking for b, it says find the value of x that makes the total surface area minimum. So over here I've used my calculator to graph the function, which again I've seen here, f of x is equal to, and by graphing it I'm making sure that your graph setting is in radians as it's in pi. You would get your minimum value of x to be approximately 3.855, rounding through 3 significant figures. So yeah, that's been it for this video, and I hope it's been helpful. So if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. Thank you, bye.